advertisement for GoPro. I'm not endorsing this product. You could pay me money if you wanted to, GoPro. That'd be all right. Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm with some friends today. Here's Joe and his wife Nikki, and here's Ryder.
Hi.
We're going on a really cool hike today to a secret tree house. All right, here we go.
All right.
Here we go. We got some people up here in front of us getting ready to cross the bridge. See a lot of four-wheel drive activity in here. But only four-wheelers or hiking should be able to get on beyond this point. Yeah, watch your step.
Yeah, I see it.
And that skinny one in front of the fat one is a little of a wobbler.
And this one, don't step over that way because this thing goes up. Walk right here.
Good idea.
Nail down here too.
I stepped on the nail where it was easier.
You want it, I'm not carrying it. You wanted it, you carry it.
Definitely a little sketchy. Don't step on that board. Mossy and slippery. It's the kind of bridge you want, right? Alright, we made it. Woohoo! That's a cool bridge though. It's been around for a long time. Alright, let's continue on. Such a cool forest. Used to be barely anybody knew about this place, but word gets around. People know where it is now. It is now. You could get your I thought you were taking a, you know what? You don't think I saw you?
What do you mean? I fit behind that tree just fine.
Yeah. Everything but a blue shirt sticking out the back.
Oh, no. I guess next time
Nice.
I better wear a green one.
Yeah, you
Blend in.
you get your side-by-side back here easy.
Probably could.
Yeah.
And 65 inches wide.
Look like
so-
Jeeps have been coming back here now. It's way wider than it used to be. So I guess it's not it's a not secret treehouse anymore. That's okay. It's a really beautiful hike. It burns.
Ask Brad about poison oak.
Oh yeah, I had that.
Yeah,
My dad
poison
had
oak
it
is a lot
on
of fun.
His neck, his face, his whole body.
I know somebody that wiped their butt with it one time.
Oh my god.
Can you imagine?
No.
Oh. I'm going to be able to sit down comfortable for a long time. It's a video that I did. It's pretty cool. We went into this dynamite factory area where this guy's died.
Yep.
Yeah, near, yeah. And so we went into the abandoned office at night, me and Amy. And the video was really cool. We caught some cool stuff in there and all that. But when I was playing back some of the video, Amy didn't realize that her shirt had lifted up and her belly was hanging out. So I had to go back and edit all the places where her belly was hanging. It's still about a 30-minute video, which is pretty long.
I
But
wish I would have saved that one I got at the house with that person that we could see a ghost shadow
Oh yeah.
going across
oh,
the camera.
got a shadow figure, huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
Like, what the heck? And you could literally see the whole thing.
Wow.
I play it for some guys at work, and they're like, "What the heck was that?" I said, "You tell me. I'm trying to figure it out."
Yeah.
Yeah.
Had that happen a couple times. Did you see the House of Spiders? Did you watch that one yet?
No.
That one's got I caught a shadow figure. Head and shoulders and everything moving
Oh wow.
at the top of the stairs, and didn't even know I caught it until later on when I was editing.
Oh wow.
Holy cow.
And that place is out in the middle of a sanctuary.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I know.
And I know nobody was out there with me. It's pretty close to dark too. This one was out towards Capitol Forest.
Oh, okay.
Great old farmhouse. It's like 5 or 6 bedrooms. Pretty nice place.
Oh, you know what? I might have seen that one. I've watched a couple different.
It's got a
Watched a couple.
little intro with a bunch of tons of spiders in the windows and stuff. Yeah,
When did you upload it?
it's been probably a month. Yeah.
Yeah, I probably did. I've watched a lot of them.
Oh, thank you. I got the Bordeaux one coming at night. That was pretty freaky.
Yeah.
Nice view of the creek. You gonna go down there, Ryder? Careful, it's really slippery right there. Maybe
Oh,
on-
there goes my water bottle. I have to go get that.
Oh man, there's a lot of bugs here. Careful. Yeah. You made it. Good job.
Toss this up.
All right. Just putting it in a 2-foot, 2-stick drive.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man, those flies are trying to bite me now.
Me too.
Anyway, that's a cool spot.
Oh my gosh, like this. Now I'm so muddy.
Yeah, that's the fun part though, right? We should be over halfway there now.
I've been on like a 30-mile hike. Yes, I'm tired I was on that. I had to come up a tall mountain.
You went a 30-mile hike? Wow. Hike to the top of a mountain?
Like a very steep mountain.
Was that in California?
So did you guys see a creek?
Yeah, I kind of slipped down. I dropped my water bottle down the thing, so I had to go get it. And I slipped.
You slipped? Uh-oh.
Yeah.
You look like you're fine though.
I got a good fail on for YouTube.
Are those huckleberries?
Salmonberry?
Oh.
Why? Have you even had one?
Let me see that. Oh, that's a good looking salmonberry. Nice.
Yeah.
I don't like it. I like huckleberries.
Salmonberries are better.
Oh, there's one over there. No, that's not what it is.
No, my favorite. Probably blackberries, I guess.
Put that tree down. They'll be like,
Through the Ryder cam.
ow.
Walking in the woods.
I'm hitting trees.
Doing, 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 doing. Get you bouncing. Ryder rabbit? Is that what you are?
Boing, 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 boing.
Nice.
Mud. Like mud.
There is some mud, isn't there?
Mud.
Hey, where'd he go? Where'd he go? He's hiding behind my big belly. Hey, where'd he go? Where'd he go? I see you. Won't make everybody sick.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
we made it.
We made
There it
it.
is.
Isn't that cool?
My.
Isn't that amazing? Yeah, go around the back and go inside. Oh, they might.
Up the picnic bench.
They might be. Oh yeah.
Hey, Ryder.
It was all.
Let's go inside, guys.
There might be people in there.
So we'll wait.
It might go down.
Oh, the chairs. One of the chairs is ripped off there too now. King's
I
chair.
found a redding rock. I found a redding rock, guys.
They were all rotten. Getting pretty rotten.
I found a redding rock. I can't even pick it up.
Hi.
All right.
Redding rock.
Yeah.
Massive.
Have you been here before?
Oh yeah.
I haven't.
Me either.
So yeah, unfortunately, it used to be this picnic table that was here, and then this chair here was the king's chair. You can see the top of it there by Joe. That was attached, and you had the big armrests on each side. It's really cool. So this is it, guys. All right, Ryder, you ready to go back in there?
Yes, yes, yes.
All right. So the window on the front.
Set that down. I'm not
Wow.
I just said
I thought that said Ryder. It says Rihanna.
rain.
Here we go.
I'm gonna check the door too.
Ryder's going inside.
Right.
Very cool. Look at that.
Just come in. I could shut the door.
Okay.
Come in. Look how dark it'll get. It's gonna get very dark. Are you coming in?
Close the door.
Oh, it does have the door still.
Is it dark?
Oh, thank goodness. I thought somebody tore off the door. It's still here. Got a little more faith in humanity.
I would love to climb that.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh?
Oh, there's a tree. I should bring this. Wait, there's a military box.
It is.
Let's look
Do
inside.
you know what that is?
Let's look in it.
It's called a geocache.
Let's go inside and look.
Go ahead.
Oh, I should bring E all the way up too. Can you shine the light over here?
Oh yeah, there you go.
spaghetti box. This thing's heavy. Let's open it up.
This is a geocache. Geocache.com.
I might mark
You
it.
put your name in the little book. Say that you were here.
Are you gonna do it too?
Sure. We'll put MaxproductionTV on there. There's a little,
Snacks in here.
little window that's in the front.
There's snacks.
Yeah.
Toys and snacks.
You can take something. You're supposed to leave something if you take something, but
Why would they put?
Right there. Good job.
Productions TV. Ryder from California has been here.
I need help.
So you flip it up. There you go. Flip it up. Close it and then flip it down. Push hard. There you go.
But
All
kind
kinds
of
of cool
trash.
stuff in there, huh? Oh, what's that?
That's you, Grandma.
Oh,
Oh, I made it.
yeah.
Oh my God,
See the? Do you want to knock on the door? Hello.
Ow! Oh, my ears.
That's so cool how someone made this door.
You know,
Get that big latch.
grab the beer thing. That thing fell. The beer thing fell down that.
Did it?
There's a gunk.
Fell down inside?
I think it's a can of.
Alright.
I thought this
Pretty
would
cool
have,
treehouse. Even the window opens.
I thought this would like have stairs and it goes down farther.
That'd be cool, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
If I own this. There's that fern growing up there. If I own this, I would put a little ladder. Have a little bed up there somewhere.
Yeah, or make it little,
That'd be cool.
like 2 stories.
Uh-huh. Little loft.
It might have been 2 stories with those like sides.
Alright, when you go out, you want to shut the door so I can watch you shut it? That's a cool door. I love the door.
You have to go inside to shut it.
Okay.
I'm gonna shut it all the way, like
Alright.
lock it too, so no one can get in.
Nice. Good job.
Good.
It's all shut. Good job. Well, that concludes the treehouse. Thanks for coming along, everybody. See you, Ryder. Thanks
Bye.
for coming with us. Bye.
Welcome.
And Joe and Nikki are already leaving. Bye, guys.
See you next time.
All right, take care, guys. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.